Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into ASUS Router app for smart home device prioritization, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open the ASUS Router app on your smartphone or tablet. If you haven't downloaded the app yet, go to the App Store or Google Play Store and search for ASUS Router. Once the app is installed, launch it by tapping on the app icon. On the welcome screen, tap Login to proceed. If you have an existing ASUS account, enter your username and password in the designated fields. If you don't have an account, tap on Create Account to set one up. Follow the prompts to verify your email and complete the account setup. After logging in, you will be directed to the main dashboard of the app. From the dashboard, locate the device list option to view all connected devices. Identify the device that you want to prioritize for your smart home activities. Tap on the device to access its settings. Look for the option labeled Prioritize or Quality of Service. Enable prioritization by toggling the setting on. You may also adjust the priority level based on your needs. After making your adjustments, be sure to save the changes. Once saved, the newly prioritized settings will take effect immediately. You can exit the settings and continue to manage other devices as needed. To ensure everything is working smoothly, monitor the performance of your prioritized device. Repeat this process for any additional smart home devices you want to prioritize. Now, you are all set to enjoy optimal performance for your smart home devices using the ASUS Router app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.